Did you know you can pay someone to do product research for you? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the results, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I paid someone to do product research for me. And I'm going to be breaking down the results, whether I think it's a good or bad idea. I'm going to be breaking down the products that they recommended, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway if you stay into the very end, which I'm going to be announcing how to enter that giveaway. I'm going to be giving one person free 2 months to Helium 10, the platinum plan, so make sure to stick around for that giveaway. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go down, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. And I don't know if you guys know what Fiverr is. I'm sure you probably do, but Fiverr, you can literally get a gig for everything. They call it a gig, and that's whether you want to get product images done, a logo design, a video animation, and they actually have Amazon product research. So right here, I went and I searched Amazon product research, and it shows that someone right here, I will do Amazon product research to find a highly profitable product for $15. You have some that are $10. You have some that are even $5. I will do Amazon FBA product research for you to make more profit for your business. So essentially what they're advertising is, hey, they're gonna find you a good product that you can sell on Amazon. So what I decided to do was, hey, I'm gonna try this, because if this is legit, if this works, I'm gonna tell everyone about it, and this is going to be the best way to do product research. So what I did is I got, let's see how many different gigs. Here's 1, 2, 3, I think 4 or 5 different gigs, and I paid like $5 for each gig, and I actually even paid for a gig that was $100, which I still haven't heard anything back from them. And anyways, so let's break down the gigs that I got back, and I'll show you kind of the results that I got and whether I recommend doing this or not. So the first one is this guy right here. He says, "Hi, thanks for your order. Please feel free to knock me anytime. I will get back to you as soon as possible." So he got me the delivery, and let's go to what he sent me. It is this one right here. So he sent me product number 1. The name is the Ab Stimulator Muscle Toner. And he basically kind of broke down exactly what the product is and everything. And what's interesting is I went over and I searched it on Amazon, and it doesn't really match the Jungle Scout analysis. So whether this was a screenshot of a while ago, I'm not sure, but basically they break down the entire product, and they're like, you can do this, here's the Amazon link, here's Alibaba link for the suppliers, and the notes. I strongly recommend that you can start your business by this product. I provided you Alibaba links so that you can understand the price and take your product from Alibaba as less as possible, or you can source your product by your own sourcing link. So basically they break everything down. Yeah, their grammar isn't super great, but they did give me a good analysis of this particular product. But the only catch to it is that was their analysis, and I don't know if they actually sell on Amazon. I don't know if they actually know what they're looking for. So what I did is I went over and I searched the actual product. So let me find it right here. So I searched it over here, Ab Stimulator. It has really good search, so 9,400 search volume. Average revenue is 8,500, which is decent. The average reviews is 127. So overall, this product isn't terrible, but at the same time, this was a product that I actually drop shipped 2 years ago. So I've known about this product for a long time, and I've ordered these before. I sold them before. I had a lot of problems with them. They have batteries in them. I've heard people getting basically burned from them because if you don't know what it is, it's a stimulator that you put on your abs, and it stimulates your muscles to help you get a workout with not having to do anything. So there could be potential red flags there. On the average price, I mean, they're selling for pretty expensive, and I know you can get them for fairly inexpensive. So, I mean, at first glance, yeah, this could maybe have potential, but at the same time, the reviews, the competitiveness is pretty brutal. If you look at it, what else can you do to stand out from your competition? And that's the biggest thing with product research is, if everyone is offering the same things, how are you going to stand out? What can you offer that someone else isn't offering? I mean, everyone's offering the ones with the abs and then the arm one. They have some for like your glutes, but essentially they're all basically the same product. So there's a lot of them. There's quite a bit of competition. And if you look at the reviews, I mean, they have horrible reviews. This one has 326 and it has a 3-star rating, 4-star. And I guess there's some that have some better reviews, but it didn't get me super excited. I wasn't super stoked about this product. And I was like, hey, at least he tried. He gave a good effort. So that was the first guy. I don't recommend this product. I don't think it's that great, but that's what he recommended. Let's go to the next one. So that was that one. So we'll exit out of there. And the next one is right here. So let's see. So we kind of talked and I kind of told him what I recommended, and he gave me this particular one. So let's go over and find it. I think, it was this one, a retractable clothesline. So he gave me all the data. This one was broken down a little bit different in an Excel spreadsheet. He gave me multiple keywords, kind of the search volume, the price. I mean, they give you a good analysis, but like I mentioned, I don't know where they're getting this information from. Is this information from 6 months ago, 8 months ago? I don't know. So I went and I basically went and did some more research. So this is the product. Retractable clothesline, so it has a search volume of 8,900. Average revenue is 1,900. That's really, really bad for such a high search volume. The average reviews is 208, which is super, super high. So I'm like looking at this and I'm like, this isn't a very good product. And I told the guy, if we go over here, I said, looking into the keywords, what you have provided is not very accurate. Plus, this is a really competitive product. Tons of sellers selling the same thing, and the average reviews is 200 plus. I would like a little bit better of a product opportunity. So he said, okay, I'll try again. So he sent me another one, which was super nice of him. He went out and did another one. So let me click on this attachment. Let's find what this is. So I'll download this real quick. And this was his second product that he recommended. And it was a sleeping pad. And this is just when I absolutely lost. I thought this was hilarious that this guy was recommending me to sell a sleeping pad. So again, I went back to Amazon and I did a little bit of research. I searched sleeping pad. Their search volume is 18,000. Average revenue is 20,000. Average reviews is over 1,000. And the fact that this guy is telling me to sell this product, I'm just like, man, I don't know where you're getting this information from, but this is the absolute worst product that you could ever sell, and you're telling me to sell this. And when I did this kind of test, I was thinking, man, like this is kind of scary. Like what these people are advertising for $5, $10, they're saying, hey, I'll do product research for you, and they're giving you these garbage products. And so that's when I decided, okay, I need to make a video. I need to make sure that people aren't doing this, because people are telling people to sell products that are going to lose you a lot of money. This is not a cheap product. This is going to be an expensive product to source, and it's crazy competitive, and you're going to get absolutely destroyed, especially as a beginner. So basically I did this. I mean, there might be a few more. Let's see. So the ab stimulator we talked about. Oh, okay. Here's another one, and we'll end on this. But let's see. Let's find the gig where it was. Right here. Okay. So this guy, it was $7, $5, and then $2 fee for Fiverr. He sent me this, and I went in and verified it, and I basically said, this product is crazy competitive. Okay, here's my response. These products are crazy competitive. I wish they were good ones, but it seems like you have sent this PDF to other people before. I want a new, fresh idea. And so I basically called this guy out, and I said, hey, I think you've sent this to multiple people. I don't think that this is new. You're basically screwing people over. And he responded, he said, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. Basically, the gig you placed for practicing Amazon only if you really need something potential, you need to change the gig and at least go for the standard gig. Hope you understand. And the standard gig was a lot more expensive, and so he canceled it. He refunded me the money, which was nice of him, but he basically knew that I was calling him out and basically saying that this was trash. And so he refunded the order, which I'm glad that he did, so I didn't have to waste too much money. But it was these were the products that he recommended: the bamboo kitchen divider, which has only 246 search volume and 177 average review, 9,600 average revenue, and you'll just see that there's like 2,500 sellers selling this same exact product. And so that's where I was like, did this guy like give this to like 200 people and everyone just ran with this idea? I don't know. I sure hope not. I hope people aren't falling into this trap of, oh, I'm just going to go to Fiverr right here and have someone do product research for me for $10, $5, $40. This guy I will find $10,000 a month Amazon product for $5. Yeah, I can find a $10,000 per month product by just searching random terms and saying, oh yeah, sell this. But finding one that actually works and that is actually going to be profitable, that's not crazy competitive, there's a lot more to it than just paying someone $5. And that's the reality with Amazon, is people are always like, oh, give me an idea. Tell me what I should sell. I mean, I wish I could just give ideas like this, but as you can see, it's just not realistic. As soon as you start telling people these different ideas, it just becomes super competitive, and that's what these guys do on Fiverr, is just send the same people the same products over and over and over again, and they just basically end up screwing people over. So basically, I'm making this video as a point to tell you not to do this. This is something that I would 100% avoid. This is not a good product research strategy. Don't pay someone to do your product research unless they're like your virtual assistant and you have worked with them closely. And if you do, make sure you understand what you're looking at, understand how to break down the data, because I mean, I'm able to look at the data very, very quick and say, okay, this is a bad product, this is a good product, this is what you need to completely avoid. So that was my experience ordering different gigs on Fiverr. I wasted a lot of money doing this, but that's the purpose of the channel, is for me to make the mistakes and to save you guys money in the long run. So I hope you found this valuable. If you were thinking about trying this, I wouldn't recommend it. If you want to try it and just give it a shot, go for it. But I think it's false advertising. I don't think that they're going to give you what they say they are. So I hope you enjoyed, and as promised, let's do the giveaway. I'm going to give one lucky person complete free access to Helium 10 for 2 months. That's a $200 value. You're gonna have the Helium 10 Platinum plan for 2 months. And all you need to do is subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and then also you have to join the Amazon Champion Facebook group, because that's where I'm going to be announcing the winner. So drop a comment down below letting me know why you need Helium 10 and let me know why you want to win the giveaway. So you just need to do those 4 things. Like the video, drop a comment, join the Facebook group, and subscribe, and you have a chance to win Helium 10 for 2 months. So again, thank you for watching, and don't do this. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video.